Maybe you ain't walked down any highway. Maybe you are flying through the air. But if you're on the last train to glory, you know, must have paid your fare. Maybe you've been lying down in the jailhouse. Maybe you are hungry and poor. Maybe your ticket on the last train to glory is a stranger who's been sleeping on your floor. Cause I ain't a man, constant sorrow. I ain't seen trouble all day long. We are only passengers on the last train to glory that will soon be long, long gone. Let's wanna hop on the last train in the station.